9 animals that can live after death. From turtles that survive without oxygen to headless snakes, discover these astonishing creatures. Number 1. Cockroaches. Cockroaches have an incredible ability to survive even without a head. They can live for weeks headless, thanks to their unique respiratory system, which relies on small openings called spiracles instead of breathing through their heads. Additionally, since they don't have blood like humans, they don't suffer from fatal bleeding, allowing them to continue moving purely by instinct. These unique adaptations make cockroaches remarkably resilient, enabling them to survive extreme conditions with astonishing endurance. Number 2. The snake. You might think that separating a snake's head is the way to stop its danger, but you'd be surprised by what can happen next. Even after this, a snake's head can still open its mouth, reveal its fangs, and even defend itself. Yes, it can bite and release venom, even without being attached to its body. This happens because the snake's head continues to respond to heat signals even after physical separation. So, if you ever see a snake in that state, it's best to stay away. Number 3. Flatworms. Flatworms, known as Planarias, have an astonishing ability for regeneration. For example, if a planaria is cut into several parts, each fragment can develop into a complete body, generating multiple identical worms to the original. This is possible thanks to their powerful stem cells, which can transform into any type of cell needed to create a new organism. This phenomenon seems straight out of a science fiction movie and continues to amaze scientists due to the high level of regeneration that these small organisms can achieve. Number 4. Incredible pulpos. In certain Japanese and Korean restaurants, pulpo tentacles can still move after being cut. This happens because pulpos have a unique nervous system, as most of their nerve cells are located in the tentacles rather than in the brain. This structure allows the tentacles to react and move even after being separated from the body, which can seem like a horror scene for those not used to seeing something like this on their plate. Number 5. Chickens. Have you ever heard the expression "run like a headless chicken"? Well, it's not just a saying. If you ask a farmer, they will tell you that a headless polo can keep running around the yard like a real zombie. This happens due to the unique physiology of the polo, whose central nervous system is different from that of humans. Polos have a brainstem that controls certain body functions, and if it remains intact after decapitation, the body can continue moving. In very rare cases, if the jugular also remains undamaged, the polo can stay active for some time, although eventually it will pass on to the other side.